Another busy day at Kenya's Redmark Leather Company. These workers are rushing to meet increasing demand of leather. The hides are usually sourced from various slaughterhouses, cleaned and prepared for exports. Only 10% is processed locally into finished leather products, a scenario the government plans to change soon.
Currently, we are doing 90% of export, which we are selling to India, Italy, and China. But we expect to bring down the production of, the sales of Wetiburu to product. More currently, we are doing 90%. So in about 2 months' time, we'll bring the export of Wetiburu down to about 60. And we increase the export of finished leather.
Nearly 50% of our raw hides is exported in raw. So it's nothing that we can write home about today. We have significant demand, nearly 8 million square meters of potential leather that is required by our shoemakers in this country. But, you've heard from one of the players, most of it goes.
Kenya's leather industry has been neglected for years. Smuggling of hides, lack of raw materials and an influx of second-hand leather products are some of the challenges ailing the industry. The government has now introduced reforms to make the finished goods more competitive.
The government is working on issues of reducing cost of power. The government is making sure that logistics cost between Mombasa and Nairobi right up to Uganda is reduced significantly through investment in the standard gauge railway. The cost of infrastructure, road movements for moving our goods is, coming down. And this is something that we will continue to drive.
East Africa's biggest economy is facing stiff competition for its leather products from neighboring Ethiopia, which has invested heavily in the sector. But the government now believes, although the sector is in its infancy stage, it sure has the muscle to compete moving forward. Kiyo, CCTV.